everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is quarter 2 of my Project Life album for 2021. I did the Project Life flip through already for January, February, and March. So I'm going to start off with April. And this is a little late. I just realized according to my playlist that it was never shot, but I did do the memory planner flip through. So that one's on my channel, but just not my lovely Project Life. So do remember that I do keep this one very photo heavy, but I do try to add some journaling, but usually my memory planner goes along with the stories I share in detail in here. So this one's always the photo heavy one. So right here on the opening spread for April, this, and this are all the same pattern paper. I like to have the cohesion. And I have the month names already pre-printed, so I have them ready to go for the entire year. And then I was doing handprints with Valentina. Either A, it was a painting session, or B, I might be doing I always do Mother's Day cards and Valentine and Father's Day cards with her handprint. So it could be some offshoots of her from those sessions. But let's go on. Anything else I can point out? This is an Allie Edwards card as well as this. These are from the Basics collection, and this is from Elle Studio. I do have the month calendars that I do like including in the opening spread. So we're dealing with Easter here. So these are all Easter photos. Little collage that my mother-in-law did. And I was doing a like practice rounds of an Easter egg hunt in our backyard so that when she had it at school, she could participate. And then just some sleeping pictures. She made an Easter hat at school, riding her bike. Here, this is the first month where I started doing Allie Edwards Story by the Month kits. And though I haven't really done the theme of those stories, I do still like incorporating the cards from the kits. And I still am subscribed to it. I just got to use those products better. So that is a goal of mine. So here, Maui turned 1. I used an app called Baby Story that is able to put like stickers like this. So it's 1-year-old. I made a banner. This was all using cardstock from Printworks. Our little family photo. I got the cone head hats from Dollar Tree. A little splash pad action, beach action, and then visiting Daddy at work. So we own a clinic. We're a chiropractor, so it's called Advanced Healthcare here in Florida. Oh, and then we had gotten... That was the weekend we got our floors done. So it used to be yucky brown carpet, and now we have like gray vinyl flooring, like weathered wood flooring. It looks so good, and we got new modern chairs for the waiting area. So big day. That was a big weekend. And then I had gotten, is it my second shot? Yeah, this is my second booster or second shot of my vaccine. So I kept the sticker on that as well. At the end of April, I started gardening in my walkway of my townhome, and honestly, I am so proud of myself. All of these plants have gotten so big right now. It's great. This is an Allie Edwards card as well. Then putting some news into my albums, and then these were all of like the plant tags from all of the plants I bought that day. And then some pool time with Daddy and Valentina pretending she's a doctor. We start off with May. Again, Elle Studio. This tie-dye card is from, it's paper from Hobby Lobby. This was a meme that I printed, and this was just some cards from my stash. It was my aunt's birthday party. I was doing like it was my year anniversary with using Monet products, so I simply love the results. So this was probably obviously May of last year when I started. Not bad hair. And this is actually me obviously did a blowout, but how much my hair has grown this year using Monet products. And so it was just a comparison on my anniversary. And then I did some marketing for our chiropractic office. We're not your average chiropractor. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Oh, these were, so I made the Mother's Day cards to be bumblebees that year. And for us, the South Florida Fair was in town. So we went to the fair for Mother's Day. So it was dealer's choice. They asked me what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. It was mostly a day for Valentina to ride all the rides possible. And then I go there for the fried Oreos. Those are my favorite. Picture day at school. These were her photos. I got all the digital files of all of them. They were adorable. These were cutouts from a Happy Meal, and she's practicing her pen control very well there. And then we went back to the fair like the following weekend. So those were our tickets again. And Daddy was obsessed with winning her toys. And we got a caricature done. That's super fun. Then this was actually, speaking of, with the whiteboard, this was an order through Persnickety Prints. They had a sale at this point, so I ordered some prints, and I do like the quality of their prints. If you've never done Persnickety, they're really good. I just sometimes am so impatient that I hate waiting for shipping. That is my only thing. I live in Florida. They're based in Utah. Shipping's like a week, sometimes more. And I don't have patience for that. If I wanted to print these right now, I need them and keep up with this like now. And it's so hard for me to wait. So we're making Italian wedding soup. I'm showing you like my feet with my flowers that I grew. And then for June, getting started here, same pattern paper. Maui got his summer cut. He's so lanky and thin. He's on Valentina's bed there. El Studio. These are the hibiscus flowers that I got, I think that week. So that was like a new plant for my walkway. And then we got our desk wrapped at the office. So here's the new floor. And so this was like a mahogany wood color before, and we just got our logo blown up. It's a big sticker. Then it was, that's right. And the rest of June is my birthday month. I turned 40 this year. So I celebrated it in a big way. I am blessed. I am loved. I am thankful for my family and my friends. So this was my birthday weekend, the actual one. Miguel took me away. So this is a Hobby Lobby photo. This is from my stash. This is an old Mombi card. And this is an old Project Life card too. So he surprised me with a visit to the Hard Rock Stadium. And my mother-in-law watched Valentina. Then I went to Puerto Rico with my mom and my sister for a week. So that's this one page. And yes, it seems that I did very little documenting, but for my whole 40th month, I actually printed a book-bound photo album. So that's why this one, or just like my highlights of the month. And that other book, I'll show you. I can grab it real quick. So for the month of my 40th birthday, I made this. This one is from Mix Books. So I did 40 and Fabulous. And then this one truly houses all of my photos and some journaling for the whole month of celebration. So that's why this is very little, because everything really isn't detailed in this. And actually, I should do a flip through of this. I don't know if I have yet. But let me know down below if you would want a review on these bound books from Mix Books. So here, this is an old Project Life card. I forgot from what collection. And then Father's Day cards, I made them into fish. And then all my family came in town. So these are like all the other cousins that we haven't seen since before COVID. Everyone's gotten so big. So it's the posse of cousins going on. Then it was my 40th birthday party. We did a cruise on a yacht. And my favorite color is pink, clearly. And everyone wore pink. This is my whole family. All my family came. And I got the Dyson, just as a side note. And for curly hair girls, I know it's an expensive hair dryer, but it works phenomenally. And then these butterfly embellishments are from the Dollar Tree. And then I will end the video here. So I am current with my album, but I like to do these quarterly so that if you have any questions, I can answer where something came from and etc. So that was quarter 2. I will do quarter 3 once September comes and goes. That way it's all completed: July, August, and September. I hope you've enjoyed this and appreciate some inspiration on how to do Project Life. As simple as this is. This is always, like I said, photo dominant with a few filler cards like this, and everything just stays bright and colorful, and definitely always using things in my stash or if I make it. And that's where we begin. Till next time, everyone. Bye.